Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains useful new kitchen gadgets that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video.
The Elite Gourmet EJX 600 Compact Small Space-Saving Masticating Slow Juicer by Elite Gourmet is a sleek and efficient addition to any kitchen. Its black color gives it a modern and sophisticated look that complements any kitchen decor. One standout feature of this juicer is its manual operation, which allows for greater control over the juicing process, ensuring that you get the most out of your fruits and vegetables. The masticating slow juicing technology used in this product helps preserve the nutrients in your juice and minimizes oxidation, resulting in healthier and more flavorful drinks. Measuring at 3.25 inches in diameter and width and 12 inches in height, this juicer is compact and space-saving, making it ideal for small kitchens or limited countertop space. The product care instructions recommend hand washing, only ensuring that you can easily clean and maintain this juicer for long-lasting use. Overall, the Elite Gourmet EJX 600 Compact Small Space-Saving Masticating Slow.
The Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper is a reliable kitchen appliance that combines efficiency and simplicity. With its manual operation, this product puts you in control of food preparation, allowing for customized results to suit your cooking needs. Measuring at 8.76 inches in diameter, 9.55 inches in width, and 16.25 inches in height, this food processor is compact enough to fit on your kitchen counter without taking up too much space. The sleek black color, 70725A, adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. The 12-cup bowl capacity is ideal for handling large quantities of food, making it perfect for meal prepping or preparing dishes for gatherings. Whether you need to chop, slice, shred, or puree, this food processor offers versatility to help you achieve.
The Fruit and Vegetable Washing Machine by AquaPure is a versatile addition to any kitchen designed to meet the specific needs of washing vegetables efficiently. The machine comes in a sleek white and gray color scheme that complements any modern kitchen decor. Crafted with durable plastic handles, this washing machine ensures a comfortable grip while in use. Its compact dimensions of 5.12 L into 5.12 W into 2.64 H make it easy to store and ideal for smaller kitchen spaces. This innovative product from AquaPure is a game-changer when it comes to washing vegetables, providing a convenient and hassle-free solution for ensuring your produce is clean and ready to use. The Fruit and Vegetable Washing Machine is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their kitchen routines and maintain a healthy lifestyle.
The Norpro Silicone Microwave. Double Egg Poacher offers a convenient solution for preparing perfectly poached eggs effortlessly. Made from high-quality silicone, this product exemplifies durability and safety in the kitchen environment. Its vibrant red color enhances the visual appeal, while its oval shape provides a classic touch to your cooking tools collection. The dimensions of 8.25 into 5.25 into 3.75 inches ensure compatibility with most standard microwaves and storage spaces. This egg poacher from Norpro simplifies the egg poaching process, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their culinary expertise. The silicone material not only promises longevity, but also easy cleaning, adding to the product's user-friendly design. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a casual cook, this double egg poacher enables you to create delicious and visually appealing poached eggs without any hassle. In conclusion, the Norpro Silicone Microwave Double Egg Poacher stands as a reliable.
The OXO Good Grips. Large Salad Spinner is a versatile kitchen tool that combines efficiency with durability. With product dimensions of 6 into 10.5 into 10.5 inches and an item weight of 2.5 pounds, this salad spinner is suitable for both home and commercial use. The unisex design makes it accessible to all users. Manufactured by OXO, a trusted name in kitchenware, this salad spinner boasts a solid build quality that can withstand regular use. The ASIN for this product is B00004OKR, and its item model number is 32480. It originates from China, known for its manufacturing expertise. With a remarkable customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from 39,833 ratings, it is evident that consumers appreciate the quality and performance of this salad spinner. Its popularity is reflected in its best sellers rank, where it holds the position of #1 in salad spinners and #44 in kitchen and dining. Notably, this product has not been discontinued by the manufacturer since its first availability.